You're looking at the Exceed RC. Because a four-wheel drive, dedicated rock crawl. Styles. One version of the truck has a roll cage in the rear bed with simulated light buckets on the cab. Also comes with a full-size tire and rim. Available colors are blue, red, and green. The truck style is much more streamlined without the rear roll cage and light buckets. That version comes in red and gray. MadVolt 10 is powered by a RC 550 size brushed motor. It uses a 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip with steering and throttle reversing. The radio receiver and servo is waterproof. Speeds up to 15 miles. Also includes a 7.2 volt 2000 milliamp nickel hydride battery. It has 4 3/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch high traction tires with metal rims. This particular truck comes with a lot of metal in it. There's the frame, the suspension, axle links, and the tie bars are all metal. It keeps it light and gives you a lot of strength. It has spring oiled filled shocks and has ball bearings on all 4 wheels. The front and rear drive shafts are also U-joints, which gives it a lot more durability and also can handle the torque. NitroRCX.com carries a complete line of spare parts to keep you rolling. Thanks for watching.